Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix Xbox controller stick drift. Push down the bumper back with the help of pre-tool. Remove the both sides. Now, remove the batteries cover. Now, with the help of screwdriver, remove all the screws from the controller. Now, remove the controller face cover. Now, remove the both analogs. Now, take the duster cleaner. Now clean the analog areas, then put back the rubber analogs. Then fix the faceplate, then fix all screws, then fix the batteries cover. Now fix the bumper covers. By following these steps, you can fix Xbox controller stick drift.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.